Cheesecake is a delightful dessert that is transformed from a simple dairy dish to a beloved global dessert. This creamy creation has adopted various forms and flavors over the years. Its creamy texture combined with a crunchy layer of graham crackers at the bottom is remarkably simple in its formula. So, how do they do it? The story of cheesecake is a delicious journey through time. It all started in ancient Greece and was originally an energy source for athletes in the first Olympic Games. This ancient recipe was simple, as a mix of cheese and honey baked under the sun. As the Roman Empire expanded, they also embraced cheesecake and added crushed cheese and eggs. They even spread this culinary delight across Europe as they conquered new lands. Cheesecake began to take on unique local flavors and ingredients in these different European regions, evolving into the diverse styles we know today. By the time cheesecake reached America, it went through another huge transformation. Thanks to cream cheese, an American edition, New York-style cheesecake was born. This version was rich, smooth, and creamy, but the innovation kept happening. Italian cheesecake also emerged. This version was lighter and often incorporated ricotta. Another famous type of cheesecake today is French cheesecake, which is known for its fluffy texture. Each country and region around the world has managed to add its own unique twist to this iconic sweet treat. Each style tells a story of cultural adaptation and culinary innovation. The history of cheesecake shows how a simple dish can travel, transform, and become a beloved treat in countless kitchens around the world. Cheesecake has shown the endless possibilities of a few basic ingredients. So, what exactly are these basic ingredients? At the heart of every cheesecake is cream cheese, known for its smooth, rich texture that forms the creamy base. To balance the tang of the cheese and provide more of a sweet taste, sugar is added. Eggs are also used as the binding agent that gives cheesecake its delicate structure. But the real charm of cheesecake is the crust. The crust, often made from crushed graham crackers or cookies, provides a delightful contrast in crunchy and creamy texture. It's the foundation of every cheesecake, setting the stage for the rich filling above. Cheesecake's versatility really shines in its variations. Some prefer the classic, simple version, while others love to jazz it up with toppings. Fruit toppings, from the tartness of berries to the sweetness of mangoes, add a fresh, vibrant twist. Chocolate, a universal favorite, can turn a simple cheesecake into an irresistible indulgence. The beauty of cheesecake lies in this ability to adapt, to transform with a few additional ingredients into something new every time. This is why, from its humble beginnings, cheesecake has become a dessert that can be endlessly reinvented no matter which culture you find it in. Making cheesecake, whether in a cozy home kitchen or a large-scale industrial setting, follows a fundamental process yet differs in scale and technique. At home, the process is hands-on and personal. It starts with preparing the crust, often a mix of crushed graham crackers and butter pressed into a pan. The filling, a creamy blend of cream cheese, sugar, and eggs, is then poured over the crust. Baking requires patience, ensuring a smooth, even texture. Cooling is crucial, as it sets the cheesecake, followed by adding fun toppings like fruits or chocolate. In contrast, the industrial production of cheesecake is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Here, efficiency and consistency are key. Large-scale bakeries use pre-mixed ingredients and specialized equipment to ensure each cheesecake is perfect. Conveyor belts, mixers, and ovens work in unison, producing cheesecakes at a remarkable rate. Quality control is very strict, making sure that every slice meets the high standards expected by cheesecake lovers. These innovations have made it possible to enjoy this classic dessert worldwide, bringing the joy of cheesecake to countless people. Cheesecake's versatility has led to a delightful array of variations and flavors worldwide, each reflecting local tastes and traditions. In Japan, for instance, cheesecake is famously light and fluffy, almost soufflé-like. Contrast that with the rich, dense New York style, a classic beloved for its creamy texture. Regions add their unique twist with local ingredients such as ricotta in Italy or quark in Germany. No matter where you have one, rest assured each cheesecake bite will be a delight. Cheesecake's culinary journey spans centuries and continents and truly embodies the creativity that goes into baking desserts. This delightful treat has earned its place in our celebrations and comfort food menus, representing a universal language of flavor and satisfaction. Another food item whose origins stem from ancient civilizations is breath mints. Learn more about the intricate history of breath mints and how they are made by clicking here.